Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix the difficulty problem in the Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered. Because you have probably noticed as well that when you prolong in the game and when you level up in this game, it will get so much more difficult for some reason to actually fight with enemies. So if you want to be able to fix that difficulty problem, well then this video is going to actually help you with this. So what I did myself is that I firstly went into the game, of course, and then I clicked on the escape button on my keyboard. So I just clicked on the escape button because then you should be taken to this page right here. So now in here, just click on character as you can see. So click on character and then we're going to choose this one right here. So as you can see the endurance right here, I would actually suggest to you to not actually upgrade this one. This is one of my biggest mistakes that I actually upgraded this endurance right here. But if you have it set to at least 55 or even lower is fine. Don't upgrade it because for some reason when you do upgrade this one right here, your health actually for some reason it's going to be just a lot more difficult to fight. I don't know why, but there's some kind of bug or I don't know the issue with the endurance thing right here, but try to just not upgrade it because it's going to help you a lot. Now what you're going to do after that, the step number 2 is going to be for us to actually click on the system right here. So click on system and then click on this right here, this button right here, because then it should now take you to the general settings area right here. And as you can see the difficulty level right here, I would actually suggest to you to have this set to apprentice. And I mean, if you want to novice, but apprentice is pretty fine to be honest. I used to have this one set to expert, don't have that. I would say that that is, as of right now, this does not feel good at all. The gameplay on expert is almost impossible in my opinion. So I would say apprentice is much better. But basically these two right here actually fix this problem for me.